The Honda Accord is one of the standouts in the midsize car class, made even better thanks to its 2018 redesign. There are a lot of good options in this category, but the Accord is well worth a look. Whether you want something practical or fun, the Accord will satisfy. The base engine is a turbocharged 4-cylinder that provides satisfying acceleration yet gets good fuel economy. Buyers who want sportier performance can upgrade to a larger turbocharged 4-cylinder. In either case, the Accord's handling is deft, and offers a comfortable ride. Standard features include the Honda Sensing Active Safety Package and driver drowsiness monitoring. The Accord is available now with a starting price of $23,570, which is about average for a mid-size car. The Enclave, a midsize SUV that seats 7 passengers, joins the list of 2018 redesigns. Buick has really boosted the Enclave's value, enough to push it near the top of our midsize SUV rankings. The Enclave comes with a smooth and responsive 3.6-liter V6 engine. No other engines are available, but most buyers probably won't want or need more power. The Enclave's standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The 2018 Buick Enclave starts at $39,995, which is a little high for the class, but the price is justified by the vehicle's near luxury quality and premium features. The 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Chevrolet's redesigned Equinox is a safe bet if you are looking for a compact crossover that includes plenty of features. Every Equinox includes a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Though the Equinox's base powertrain is on the sluggish side, buyers have 2 other options, including an efficient turbodiesel engine. The Equinox also provides spacious accommodations for 5 passengers and plenty of cargo. The Equinox is available now and starts at a competitive $23,580. The 2018 Hyundai Sonata. The Hyundai Sonata is a mid-size car with a reputation for reliability, safety, and strong value. In short, it's one of the most practical cars you can buy in this class. For 2018, the Sonata has been refreshed with an updated suspension and a new transmission in the top-end 2.0T model. This sedan is available in 6 trim levels and with 3 engines, so buyers have plenty of choices. The base engine is fine for most driving, but the 2 available turbocharged engines make the Sonata a lot more interesting. Standard features include an infotainment system with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You can buy the Sonata now, starting at $22,050. The 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. The 2018 Tiguan is a full and overdue redesign of VW's cheeky compact SUV. Highlights include more modern styling, a new optional third row that offers greater versatility, and is unusual for the class, and easy-to-use technology features. The Tiguan is offered with just 1 engine, and it's the vehicle's weakest attribute. The 184-horsepower 4-cylinder delivers adequate acceleration and fuel economy but is outclassed by most competitors. It's a notable downgrade from the 2017 Tiguan's lively 200-horsepower engine, which it shared with the GTI. However, the Tiguan does provide a smooth ride and a comfortable interior, at least in the first 2 rows. You can check out the Tiguan at your local VW dealership at a starting price of $25,195. 2018 Toyota Camry Hybrid. The Toyota Camry is the best-selling car in America, but it's never been known for its dynamic styling or driving prowess. Toyota aims to change that with the 2018 model, which features an ED-gear design inside and out, a host of standard safety tech, plus more powerful yet efficient engines. In addition to giving the 2018 Camry a stance that's lower, longer, and wider, there will be greater visual distinctions between the luxury, sport, and hybrid models. The standard engine will be an all-new 2.5-liter four-cylinder, while updated V6 and hybrid powertrains will be available. All Camrys will now come standard with the Toyota Safety Sense suite of advanced electronic safety aids and driver assistance technologies. These include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. 2018 Honda Odyssey. Competition in the minivan segment has heated up in the last couple of years with the arrival of the redesigned Kia Sedona and the all-new Chrysler Pacifica. For 2018, Honda aims to leapfrog the competition with the 2018 Honda Odyssey, which is loaded with family-friendly technology and seating features. The 2018 Odyssey's second row of seats can slide side to side, making it easy to access the third row, install and load child seats, and ensure the small passengers are located in the safest area of the car. An interior camera system allows parents to keep an eye on passengers, potentially ending he's touching me conflicts. Honda's Cabin Talk feature allows parents to talk to second and third row passengers using the van's audio system, even if they are using the headphones from the vehicle's rear seat entertainment system. Honda expects the 2018 Odyssey to arrive at dealers in the late spring or early summer. 2018 Ford Expedition. The Ford Expedition has been around in the same basic form for a long time. For 2018, the Ford Expedition will feature a body made of lightweight aluminum, rather than steel. The weight savings, paired with an efficient new powertrain, is expected to provide significantly improved fuel economy. It will also be a technological powerhouse, with a whole slate of available advanced safety tech and driver assistance features, plus the latest Sync 3 infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 6 USB ports are provided throughout the cabin, and passengers can connect to an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot that pulls data through a dedicated 4G LTE data connection. It's set to arrive in dealerships this fall, and pricing has not been announced. (2018) GMC Terrain. GMC's popular Terrain compact SUV has been redesigned for 2018, with a bolder yet curvier look than the outgoing model. However, the big news is under the hood. 3 turbocharged engines will be available, including an efficient 1.6-liter turbo diesel. The new gasoline-powered turbos will employ a 9-speed automatic transmission. Every Terrain will come with a traction select system that allows drivers to fine-tune the SUV's driving dynamics for different conditions. Front-wheel drive is standard, and all-wheel drive is available. The Terrain will be offered in a number of trim levels, including the opulent Terrain Denali model,